Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring 35 beautiful crochet baby gift ideas perfect for newborns, baby showers, birthdays, or anyone who loves handmade treasures. If you're searching for a crochet baby gift inspiration, easy handmade baby presents, or unique crochet patterns for little ones, this video is going to fill you with creativity. Crochet gifts are special because every stitch carries love. Whether you enjoy making soft toys, cozy blankets, tiny accessories, or decorative keepsakes, crochet has a magical way of creating gifts that families remember forever. These 35 baby gift ideas bring together cuteness, comfort, and creativity, and the best part, most of them are beginner-friendly, quick to make, and perfect for selling or gifting. As you watch the video, pay attention to color combinations, textures, and small design details that make each project unique. Handmade gifts stand out because they're personal, thoughtful, and made with patience. And that's exactly what makes crochet baby gifts so heart-touching. If this is your first time here, welcome. I upload videos about crochet ideas, baby gift inspiration, easy projects, and pattern suggestions. So if you love crochet or want to grow your handmade skills, you're in the right place. Before we move ahead, a small request. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below which crochet baby gift idea you want a tutorial on next. Your engagement helps this channel reach more crocheters and keeps me motivated to create more valuable content for you.